At this time, I'd like to invite forward my brilliant colleague, the youngest of the Sauer brothers, Mr. Tim Sauer. Tim composed a piece for this orchestra. We commissioned a piece. He came in and he talked to the students. We came up with some ideas about what we would like in a piece, an original piece for our school, and he really delivered. And so I'd like him to explain a little bit his compositional process and his inspiration before you hear the premiere, the world premiere, of this new piece that is freshly composed by one of our own. So Tim, where are you? Come on.
First of all, I just want to say thank you. Thank you, first of all, to Miss Karen Wirtz for conducting the piece, for teaching the piece. I did have a chance to write the piece, but then jazz bands at the same time as orchestra, so I was never really able to come in and do work. But Karen took it on, brought it to life, and thank you to the students. The students have really taken this piece on and made it their own. Karen had them do some reflecting on some of the themes of the piece and brought it into a very personal place. So, let me tell you a little bit about it. Interior Castle. Saint Teresa of Avila said, "God dwells within each of our souls." She represented this in her written work as an imagination of a castle of 7 mansions. Each mansion provides a place of deeper perspective to see and feel the divine. Saint Teresa believed we must work hard to take care of our soul, keep it away from temptation, nurture a deep connection with God. The music of Interior Castle represents the journey of the soul through these mansions. At the start of the piece, we find a representation of the first 6 and a yearning to find the 7th. A presentation of themes, some joyful, others sorrowful, represent the struggle to find answers to our question. God always within us, the answers are too. A reimagining of these themes at the end of the piece reveals that what we were seeking may have been hidden there all along. Thank you for listening, and please enjoy Interior Castle.